Here's how to create a reel in just a few simple steps using Canva. Step 1. Click to create a design and choose a reel. If you don't see it, just type reel in the search bar. Step 2. Add your video. You can find lots of animated and interesting videos establishing shots within Canva, but if you have your own, upload it and drag it into the canvas. Now expand it to fill the full screen and lower the volume if you don't need the audio. Step 3. Trim the clip. Click on the video, use the trim tool, and define start and end points. Keep it short and snappy. That's better for engagement. Step 4. Add a second slide. Add another video to a new page. Trim this one as well. Step 5. Add text. Go to text, click add a heading, type whatever it is you want to type. In my case, it's the presenter's name. Resize and place it inside the safe area. Step 6. Time your text. If you can't see when the text starts and ends, you can right-click the element and click Show Element Timing. That is going to allow you to adjust when it appears on screen. Step 7. Animate it. Choose an animation like typewriter and then adjust the settings to make sure it suits your video. Step 8. Copy and repeat. Do the same thing on the next slide. Step 9, add graphic elements if you like. In my case, I'm looking for an arrow here. I'm going to position right next to the name, and I'm going to flip or rotate as needed. Lastly, step 10, add a title to the beginning or end of your video, and you're good to go. If you keep it under 15 seconds, Instagram is going to like it more. That's all. Have fun!